Today we're focusing on topic 9.3, writing to explain. How do we write a math explanation? We're going to use this circle graph along with the idea of benchmark fractions to explain what we see on our pie chart. Looking at my pie chart, I can see that I have the following colors: blue, yellow, green, orange, and red. If I wanted to explain the amount of the circle that is shaded in a specific color, I could easily use benchmark fraction. If I wanted to explain the amount of my pie graph that is shaded in blue, I can say, all right, I have 1/4, 1/4, and almost 1/4. So I could use the benchmark fraction of 3/4 and say that approximately 3/4 of my circle is shaded in blue. I can also use the same benchmark fraction of 1/4 to explain yellow. If I look, I can say that approximately 1/4 of my circle is shaded yellow. If I wanted to describe the green, I can say that it is also about 1/4. Now, to describe the orange and the red, 1/4 is going to be a little bit too big. No worries though, I can use another way to break up my circle to find a benchmark fraction that could give me an approximate amount for my orange and my red. I'm going to split my circle into eighths. I'm going to split it into eighths. Oops, wrong part. There we go. An eighth also seems like it's just a little bit too big. So I'm going to see if I could split it again. So now I've split my circle into about 16ths. And in looking at it, I can see that now my orange is about 1/16, and so is my red. The thing with benchmark fractions is they are estimates. So the same way that we say something is about half or about 3/4 is the same way that we can use math to explain, is the same way we can use benchmark fractions to write a math explanation. We can also write to explain mathematical reasoning by using a number line. Same premise as the circle, only this time we're going to use benchmark fractions on our number line. 0, 1/4, 2/4, which is also known as 1/2, 3/4, and then 4/4, or we could just call this 1/2. If I were to shade to here, I can say that my pink line is about 1/2. Your turn. Take a look at the orange line. You would say the orange line is approximately, that's right, 3/4. Let's take a look at one more line. Let's take a look at our yellow line. Actually, let's change that to green. Now, in this case, our green line is a little further away from 1/4 to be able to call it 1/4. However, I can take a look and say, all right, 1/4, half of 1/4 is going to be 1/8. And when I look at 1/8 and I look at the green line, my green line is about 1/8 of my whole. And that's how we use benchmark fractions to write and explain mathematical reasoning.